Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. Now, you just saw me get this box from outside. It's a little buggered up, but hopefully what's inside will be fine. Alrighty. What we got here is the MOVO Omni-directional Lavalier microphone. Ooh. On the outside it says specifications. It is a condenser microphone. Frequency is 35 to 18 kilohertz, plus or minus 3 dB. And sensitivity, pretty good. It's a negative 38 dB, plus or minus 3 dB, of course. And the output impedance is 200 ohms. Cool. Now it does come with a windscreen and a lavalier clip, it says. So let's open this baby up. See what we got. Easier said than done. I don't want to bugger up the packaging too much in case I have to return it. But I'm going to be using this with the Tascam, the 40. Okay. So it comes with a omnidirectional polar pattern. Woohoo! Nice. Packaged in some molded plastic, which is good. Oh, little silicone pack. We got a windscreen. We got a clip. And here's the microphone itself. It does have an XLR input. All right. And of course we do have the condenser microphone right there. The windscreen should fit right over top. Windscreen's a little smashed. See if we can get that in there. Dun dun dun. Ooh, ooh, ah, ooh. There we go. Okay, that's in there. Nice and snug. Then the lavalier clip has a little kind of alligator clip on it, placed right here, that you need to snap on. Come on. Snap on the end. There we go. Just had to give a little more force than what I'm comfortable with. Let's see, how long is this? Oh, length is 200 centimeters. I don't know what that means. I'll have to convert it. But maybe I can look it up for you in feet and inches. Maybe like around here somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. But I'll try to convert that for you, and if I remember, I'll put that down there for you. Okay. So it's pretty long. I like that. Think clip on there. Testing 1, 2. Yeah, I know I don't have it plugged in. But there we have it. Now what it will do is on the back of the Tascam, which I did an unboxing and a sound test. You can go ahead and take a look at that. little bit later. But on the back is where this should clip in. Nice and sturdy. Very good. All right, and then I'll go ahead and I'll do a sound test with this, and we'll be right back with you. Now, what I'm doing here, I'm going to go ahead and test both these microphones. Now, the Tascam right here, the DR40, we're going to go ahead and go back and forth between them and this microphone. Now, this microphone, of course, is a condenser microphone, so it does need phantom power. So I did switch it to the mic plus phantom mode. So we're going to go ahead and see what we got. So this is me talking at a very normal voice on the condenser microphone, the new MOVO Omni-directional Lavalier microphone. And this is me talking on the microphone I have been using, which is, of course, just a regular, everyday, generic stereo microphone. And this is the audio that's coming off of the Lumix camera. So hopefully you can see the difference between the three. And that's about it. That kind of covers the unboxing and testing of the MOVO Omni-directional Lavalier microphone. And it is number LV4-0. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And please subscribe and share, or follow and share, depending on which which channel you're looking at this on. And as always, have a great day.